Hey guys, Captain Keith with MarineMax in Clearwater.
And I'm Captain Nick Pavlakis with MarineMax in St. Petersburg, Florida, and we're bringing you an all-new series of boating tips. And Keith and I are going to be going over everything that you might encounter on a day on the water, enjoying time with your family on your new boat, and just having some fun. So what do you say, Keith?
So yeah, each week there's going to be another little short video clip released. And as you guys have questions or comments, please comment on it. We will go back through those and bring them up in future episodes. And be sure to click, like, subscribe, and all that stuff that you guys know how to do. It'll help us out and it'll help get you better content.
Hi guys, how's it going? Captain Nick Pavlakis here with MarineMax in St. Pete. You know, in Florida, especially on our boats under 40 foot, we love the outboards. Outboard power is something that has become more and more popular as we make our way into the 21st century. And let's talk about some of the major pros on an outboard engine. You notice that they are on the back of the boat. The whole engine's gonna move, with the exception of a Mercury 600, of course. Right. And there's some major pros. One, you can lift them almost all the way out of the water or completely out of the water if you're at the sandbar and you're in some shallow water. And of course, there's some maintenance that you're not going to be encountering in the salt water with your manifolds and risers. Super quiet nowadays too. You're not getting those fumes like the old days of two strokes. And there's a reason why outboards are the way to go, especially in salt water. So that's my thoughts on that.
The ease of maintenance, easy to flush out. You just remove the flush cap on the end, screw your garden hose onto it, and then do not start the engine, just let it go through there. And then on top of the cowling on these, just give it a little compression right there. The lid pops up, and then you've got your dipstick and your oil fill accessible right there. And then there's another little button that you just push in there, the red button, the handle lifts up and you can take the old cowling off. Should you have to get in there, but that's just gonna be more so for the tech. Just remember on these, services aren't until you hit 100 hours or annually. So what a great system and easy access to check everything out.
Thank you for joining us once again, and until next time, we'll see you on the water.
See you guys. Thanks. Have a great day.